Hi, in this video we will talk about the gastrointestinal tract, components of the gastrointestinal tract, gut problems, treatment of diseases and gut problems, and tips for maintaining the health of the gut and digestive system. The digestive system consists of gut and its attachments from other organs, which contribute to the digestion process, which is a process in which food is broken down into small particles to make it easier to swallow and absorb afterwards so that the body can benefit from it to excrete energy. The alimentary canal consists of the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, and stomach and also extends to the small intestine and large intestine, up to the anus, and the extensions of the gastrointestinal tract include the following: the tongue, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, pancreas. The gastrointestinal tract is the largest structure in the digestive system, as it begins with the mouth opening and ends with the anus, and it is the passage through which food enters the body. Adding to it is also the passage through which the body gets rid of waste and food remnants. Components of the gut, mouth. The digestive process begins in the mouth when you start chewing food and dividing it into small portions that are easy to swallow. In the mouth, starchy materials are converted into carbohydrates through some enzymes in addition to the secretions of the salivary glands. The esophagus, it is the correct pathway for food to reach the stomach, and food moves from the mouth to the esophagus during the process of swallowing, which is a complex process by which food is allowed to enter the esophagus and not into the throat, thus maintaining the process of breathing and protecting the lungs. The movement of food through the esophagus is called the appendicular movement, in which the muscles lining the wall of the esophagus move to push the food down and reach the stomach. The stomach, after the food reaches the stomach, it is divided into very small particles through the systolic movement of the muscles lining the stomach wall to facilitate the digestion of food and use it with the help of acid that is secreted from the stomach lining and some other digestive enzymes, so that the food then turns into a semi-liquid substance and thus easier to absorb from the intestine. Small intestine. The process of digesting food is completed through the enzymes secreted by the pancreas in addition to the bile that is secreted from the liver, in which the process of food absorption and delivery to the blood is also carried out, and the rest of the food above the body's need is sent to the large intestine for disposal. The large intestine, it consists of three parts, which is a long, muscular tube of about 5 to 6 feet in length, and to it, the remnants of excess food are transported to be disposed of through the anus in the form of feces, which are food remnants in addition to many beneficial bacteria that contribute to the formation of many vitamins fight harmful bacteria. Pancreas. The pancreas contains enzymes responsible for digesting food, which is excreted in the small intestine, and their function is to break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates into smaller parts. Liver. The liver has great importance in the gastrointestinal tract and has many functions, the most important of which are producing bile, treating and purifying blood from the small intestine loaded with nutrients before distributing it to different parts of the body. Biliary vesicle, in which the excess of bile is stored, which moves from the liver to the small intestine through the bile ducts until it is needed again, and the bile juice works to absorb the fat from food and get rid of the excess that the kidneys cannot get rid of. Gut problems. There are many problems with the digestive system and the digestive tract and include diarrhea, constipation, indigestion, food poisoning, swelling, GERD, IBS, hepatitis C tumors, gallstones, hemorrhoids. Treatment of problems and diseases of the gastrointestinal tract. Say goodbye to gastrointestinal problems and leaked intestines causing diseases forever by using this health supplement that I will put for you in the description below the video. It will work to end gut problems and recover from intestinal leakage, irritation, and stomach upset, and significantly get rid of deadly infections and strengthen and nourish the lining intestinal wall. Tips for maintaining a healthy gut and digestive system. Increase your intake of vegetables and fruits throughout the day, as they are rich in many fibers, minerals, and vitamins that improve gastrointestinal problems. Eating whole grains, such as bread and pasta, contain many nutrients that contribute to solving gut problems and promoting the efficiency of the colon and beneficial bacteria. Regular exercise at least half an hour 3 times a week boosts the efficiency of the digestive system and the digestive tract. Avoid eating processed meats such as sausages, beef, pork, and fast foods because they cause gastrointestinal problems. Taking your adequate intake of calcium and vitamin D through exposure to sunlight and making sure to eat foods rich in calcium such as milk, dairy products, and yogurt also helps protect you from gut problems. And thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends to present the benefit to everyone. See you in a new video. Take good care of yourself.